Hey guys, look how they're growing, man. Looking great. I'm pretty happy. Gordon's always making a note that he's around. If you can hear my rooster, that's his name. It's about time to transplant these out. This is what we're going to use. I think it's pretty neat. It's cocoa core, just in a little brick that makes 8 quarts, and that should be plenty for us to transplant out. Right now I think it's under $5 for this, and it's organic, so if you were concerned about that, and as long as it's OMRI listed, it is organic. So that's always something I always consider when I'm buying something that claims to be organic, is if it's listed with the OMRI. So just a little about that, but I think it's time to transplant these out. They're starting to get the roots growing on the outside. That's why I like these. These are fun. But the roots here. Let's see if I can pull. Like that. I think that's so neat when you start seeing the roots start poking out through that fabric. So what I've heard people recommend that have had previous experience with these, you kind of want to pull that netting out when you do transplant them, because it seems to kind of tangle them up, even though it's supposed to not do that. If you so choose, I'm going to do that and see. Well, I really don't have time to make too many more mistakes, to be honest, so I got to be more precise with my decision making. So I think I'm just going to pull these little nets away when I transplant them. Well, I missed my goals, so I guess I'm going to have to go buy another brick, or just work with what I got for right now and buy another brick maybe when I get paid next. I ran out of material, so I had to go buy some more, but these are pretty affordable. They're only about $2.98, plus with tax it's like $3.15 here in Owasso, Oklahoma. I get them at Home Depot, so it's pretty neat. If you only have a few things, it might be cheaper to actually buy like a brick of peat moss, but I'm kind of like starting to sway against peat moss, and I think I'm going to start doing a lot more cocoa core. But also, I have very little experience with the cocoa, so we're just going to see how everything rolls. But these are fun. Look at that. We got the tomatoes all transplanted now. So they should start growing a lot more faster and getting bigger in time to plant in the greenhouse in April. So thanks for tuning in. See you later.